Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make boiled plantains. The first thing I'm going to do is pick out my plantain, or as Belizeans we say plantain, and you don't want it to be too green or too ripe, somewhere in the middle. So at this stage, this is what we would call half-ripe plantain, and this is what you would normally use to make boiled plantain. What you'll want to do is cut off both ends of the plantain, cut it in half, score it down the middle, and then peel off the skin. At this stage it's not as sweet, but when it gets ripe it gets sweeter, and you'll know when the plantain is ripe because the skin will start to turn black. If your plantain is too black or too ripe, then you'll want to fry it. I'll have to do a video on fried plantains so you can see the difference. A little tip is to just run your fingers under the skin, and that just makes it easier to peel. Use your knife and cut them in half, but be careful because now that they're getting ripe, they tend to be a little slippery. If you're not familiar with plantain, there are a lot of different things you can do with it at a different stage of ripeness. A while back I made a video showing you how to make plantain chips with green plantain, so I'll leave it linked below if you want to check that out. Add some water to the pot, and you just need enough water to cover the plantain, and then add some salt to it. And you don't need a whole lot of salt, you just need a pinch of salt to bring out the sweetness of the plantain. Boil this for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know when this is finished because you'll be able to stick your fork in it, but you don't want to overboil it because it will be too soft. Our favorite way of eating boiled plantain is when we cook anything with yellow ginger or turmeric. So I'm gonna leave a couple of my recipes linked below if you want to check them out. But of course you can eat them with whatever you want, it's up to you. This is just how we like to eat it. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.